It's a Bronco Roundup on this edition of Performance TV as we determine what's truly tough. Then we charge a car battery from a phone. We also find out what it takes to switch regular air for nitrogen. And finally, we look into more interesting trends in laser engraving. For this isn't the end, it's just the beginning.
Welcome back to Performance TV. You know, there are a lot of great reasons why you would want to get rid of the regular air in your tires and go with nitrogen, and that's where we have Tom joining us from Branick. Tom, nitrogen is just so much of a better thing to have on your tires, whether you have your daily driver or a classic car that sits around a lot.
That's right, and the big thing is it leaks out of your tires 3 to 4 times slower than regular air. It's a dry gas. It's an ideal inflation gas for tires. It's great for the TPMS hardware that's in the tires. Also the expensive rims and tires. It preserves them a little longer.
Yeah, because you're not going to have all that, the condensation and all the stuff.
Moisture.
Yeah, the moisture that you would have with just regular air. Well, we have our Thunderbird here. You almost have it all hooked up, Tom. And it's pretty cool that we can do all 4 tires at once, or even with a machine like this, say we have a dually, you could even do 6.
That's right. This machine has 4 hose reels and a couple extra ports for the extra hoses. And now we'll flip it over and convert these tires.
So this is going to take the air out, and then what else do we have going on?
It's removing the air out of the tires right now.
Okay.
So it'll take it down to about 4 psi. It'll fill them back up to 32 psi, and then it'll do that operation one more time, all in about 6 minutes.
You know, Branick's been around for a long time. You guys have a very long history with working with all kinds of products like we see here.
That's right, we've been around for 99 years. Next year we'll be celebrating the 100 years. We build a lot of automotive tools and equipment. We focus on customer service, and we do all the design, engineering, and manufacturing at our facility.
And you know, that's just what I see, just like for an example on this machine, made right here in the USA.
That's right. All of our equipment is made in the USA.
This is only one of the nitrogen machines that Branick has. Would you have something to say for, like, you know, big construction vehicles?
Yeah, we build a complete line. We have wall mount units for the smaller, like a motorcycle shop. We have these mobile units that are ideal for tire dealerships and car dealerships. And we also build tower units that are good for the 18-wheelers all the way up to custom-made units for the mining application.
Well, speaking of mobile units, Tommy's rolling around here with something. What do you have, Tommy?
Well, if you've ever moved any tires around before, you know they're heavy, they're awkward. It's a lot of work. Well, this tire cart from Branick, it's going to make that job simple. It's going to save your back. It's a great solid steel construction, robotically welded, able to handle up to 400 pounds, 5 feet of tires, so you can do multiple tires instead of just 1 or 2 at a time. It's really neat how it operates. It's got a gas shock on here, so it clamps the tires when you pick them up. They're not going to slide out, and it's really simple to operate. All you do is step on the pedal, open them up, and release. When you're ready to pick up the tires, let up, grabs the tires, and lean back. You're ready to go. I mean, this is a super simple way to do it. Now, it will handle a wide variety of tires, 20 to 37 inches in diameter, and makes that job super, super simple. I like this thing. I'm not into a lot of work. I'm into doing it simple. The tire cart by Branick makes that simple. Hey, Kathy, how you coming on that tire inflation over there?
Well, it is pretty cool, Tommy. Well, our machine here, Tom, is just about done doing all of its converting.
Yeah, it's about 5-6 minutes, and it converted the tires. They're back up to 32 psi. And the nice thing about this machine is it starts to beep when it's done, so your technician can be doing other things, and when he hears the beep, he knows the machine is done.
Wow. You know, it's pretty much a no-brainer on how to run this. You can set the tires for where you want them to be, just start the machine, walk away like you said, and come back when it's done. Now, you can also, you don't have to convert, you can start right off with nitrogen with this machine too, correct?
Right. If you pull in and your tires are down a couple psi, you can put your pressure on there, and you hit the top-off button, and your tires will come up to the correct pressure.
Wow, just one of the many cool things that Branick has. And Tommy, you found something else.
Well, as we said, Branick makes a whole line of tools for your shop, and it makes it really easy to work with. One of those is the tire spreader. Now, Tom, tell me a little details about this tire spreader.
Well, this is our model 5045 tire spreader. It'll spread tires up to 40 inches in diameter and 13-inch bead width.
A lot of versatility, and it's simple to use.
Very much. The hooks have 3-position height adjustment as well as 3 positions for bead width.
Yeah, so that makes it very versatile for all different sizes of tires.
That's right.
And then it rolls, it's simple, it slides around. If you've got different places to repair, you can move it really quickly.
Yeah, it's got zinc-plated steel rollers, and that'll ease in the operation.
And once you get it in place, it's as simple as pulling it down, locks into place.
And do your repair.
Do your repair. Now, you can see where to do your repair. It's got a nice LED light in here.
Yeah, this light is RMA compliant, and what I mean by that is RMA requires a certain amount of lumens to do a tire repair, and this light exceeds those.
So you can be able to see where you're making the repair. It's compliant. It's going to make this job simple, easy to do.
Yeah, it's been a really great product for us.
Kathy, I like to work smarter, not harder, and Branick has that.
Oh my gosh, just all the different stuff that we've seen here today, and this is just part of what they have. You can find out more, just hop on their website at Branick.com, and hey, that's all we have time for this week. We'll see you next time around here on Performance TV.